Yeah, yeah, I don't know why I did that. Anyways, welcome to another video. As you guys can probably remember, in my last video, we made the Arduino robot car, and today we're gonna be doing something completely different. Today we're gonna be seeing a sign in and sign up process I made in an eShop web page. So, without further ado, let's get to the web page. Alright, so here we are at the eShop website right here. As you can see, I put a logo right here that says eShop, and of course I put a text right here that says hi, welcome to eShop. Of course you can see I put two background images, one with the blue one, and of course these guys just shopping. And of course right here you can see sign up and already have an account, sign in buttons right here. First, we got the first name one. You can put like your first name and your last name right here, your email and your password, mobile, and of course right here you can like select your gender right here if you're male or female. And yes, there's only two genders. Anyways, as you can see, I made it responsive. I press right here, already have an account, sign in. It takes us to this sign in the sign in part right here. Now, as you can see, when I click this, it doesn't actually change my URL. I'll show you that in a second, right here. And the sign in button, you can see I put the same one, welcome to eShop, this symbol right here, same background, and the other background right here. And of course, you can see the email bar, the password, and of course, I put a remember me tick right here. And of course, there's another link that says forget password. If you ever forget your password, you can, figure it out later. And of course, the sign in button and the new to eShop join now button. If I click this, it takes us back to the sign up page, as you can see right here. And of course, you may have noticed the URL never changes, like I said before. Now keep watching the URL as I press the button. It doesn't change. See, it never changes. So yeah, that's the eShop sign up and sign in page right here. It's pretty responsive, as you can see. So now that you've seen this part, let's go to the right here of the eShop page. Now what I was gonna show you guys is right here is the responsiveness. So if I lower the width of the whole thing, it changes, and changes enough so it suits the entire window, and you guys can fill up. So it has everything necessary for you to sign in or sign up. As you can see, the image that was on the right side is completely gone, and it's only this part right here. So when I press this button, it takes you to this side, which is of course the sign in part. It's also different than before. If you come back, it's the same thing. So alright, so as you can see right here, we got the code. Everything's here. I got my index.php file, as you can see. And of course, we have the HTML file right here. We use HTML lots around here. And of course, in the top, as you can see, I put PHP include connection.php, which connects the PHP file, which I'll show you in a bit. Of course, first of all, I'll show you the HTML file right here. As you can see, this is pretty much the skeletal base of the whole entire sign in and sign up process. As you can see, of course, we got everything down here. Cool. Of course, you can see everything we got here. We got the email bar in here, and the first name, last name, all parts right here. The email part, and we got the one I used for password, the one I used for mobile. Of course, for the gender, which like I said, there's only two. Of course, I put this part right here for the database, the connection.php. Of course, I put, and of course the option code right here to make the gender part, where you can select either male or female. Like I said, there's only two. Of course, if we go down, you can see the entire rest of the code, as you can see right here, everything. And of course, right here, you see the button shop. Let me show you one before, which is more important, which is the right here, the on click button right here for the already have an account right here. Now, as you guys can probably remember in the previous part, in the website sign in process part, you guys saw a button that says already have an account, sign in button. Now to make it responsive, of course I have the on-click change view part, which for this part is connected to the JavaScript file right here, as you can see. I'll get to that in a bit. And of course, if we keep going down, there's another button right here I have put another on-click change view for the new to eShop join now button, which will pretty much take you back to the sign up page right here. Now that you've seen the HTML file, let's go to the CSS file. Now of course for CS, like styling this whole thing up, I used Bootstrap and stuff. Guessing Bootstrap is pretty reliable. It's easy to use. You guys should too. As you can see right here, I use the the style CSS, the one I used to style the entire website. As you can see, I use this. Here's the one for the background image. Of course, for the logo, the one that says eShop, and of course the font and the honey font. You see everything I used around here. Of course, there's the other background image I used, and all the titles and stuff are right here. Alright, so now that you've seen the CSS file, let me take you guys to the JavaScript file, the one I used to make the website more responsive. Right here, as you can see, when I use for the sign up box, where you can sign in or sign up. Sign up box for use for the sign up page button. And of course, for the sign in button, the one I used to make it responsive and stuff. And of course, the toggle button, which will allow it to interact with the entire thing. Alright, so now that you've seen the JavaScript file, let me take you to the connection.php file. Now this whole part is about the DBMS part of the system, the database part, right? You can see it says class database. Now the reason this file is here is to connect the whole web page with the database. As you can see, it says setup connection, and of course it's connected to MySQL. Of course, you can see right here, I've connected mine to my database right here. As you can see, everything I put connected to my database, my root number, the database name, the password, the username, and of course the host. So you can see everything right here, everything is connected. Alright, so now that you guys see the entire code, let me show you guys again, just in case you missed something, And here's the entire code, as you can see right here. Something bang, 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 bang.